Had an existing customer call me back and want some more rollouts for her kitchen, and she pointed out the pantry that I did for her 5 years ago, and I looked at that. Haven't done one like it since, so I thought I'd do a video. Pretty neat. You walk in, it's about a 4-foot deep pantry. So what I did is I installed rollouts on the 2-foot deep shelves so that she could have access. And the way that it's set up, she can put her tall and deep and miscellaneous items in the deep rollouts in the bottom. And then as you move up towards the top, you have the 2 smaller rollouts so that you can stand off to one side or the other to be able to access things that are at about eye level. She added these turntables for spices and other little miscellaneous things that she needed access to. And there's the rollouts are pretty large. They're about 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep. And see, she's got this one loaded up pretty heavy with canned goods. 100-pound load capacity on the pull-out shelves really helps hold a lot of items and heavy items, by the way. So thought it was a neat looking pantry. Like I said, not a usual situation, but it turned out really well in the end.